Windows Disk Cleanup. Disk Cleanup is the utility find temporary file by scanning the disk of your computer. This helps to remove an unnecessary file, which cleans some space and makes your computer run a bit faster. Over time, the computer is accumulated with a lot of temporary files, mostly from web surfing. It deletes the temporary file, empties the recycle bin, and removes a variety of system files and other files that you are no longer in need. In this simulation, you learn to clean up the disk of your computer. The Disk Cleanup Drive Selection dialog box appears. The Disk Cleanup for Data D dialog box appears. The Disk Cleanup message box appears. The Disk Cleanup message box appears, which shows the progress of removing the files on D drive.